Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Cash App connection issue in 2023. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So first thing that we want to guarantee here is we first have to guarantee that we have a stable connection or internet connection. So sometimes the connection issue on Cash App is actually caused by your current connection. So if you're using your Wi-Fi, make sure that you have a stable connection. You could go to google.com and test your connection. Go ahead and go to Google. So I'll be showing you how to do that. So in here, go to google.com, and from here you want to go ahead and type in internet speed test. Now from here, as you can see, there's a built-in internet speed test on Google, so you go ahead and just click on run speed, and from there you could test the speed for your internet. Now if your speed is noticeably low here, then that might be the cause for your problems in Cash App. So if you're having problems that, you might want to try another means of internet connection, like using mobile internet if you have one. Now, another reason or another thing that you could do here is just basically check for any updates on Cash App. So go ahead and open up Google Play Store here and check for any updates that you see for Cash App. Because sometimes application on Cash Apps or applications on Google Play Store will not be able to update automatically. Sometimes you have to update it manually. So once you've gotten your updates on Cash App, go ahead and see if that solves your issue. Now, if that doesn't solve your issue, the next thing that we want to do here is clear a few things on our Cash App. So from here, locate your Cash App mobile application, press and hold on it. And let me just press and hold on it. And from here, you want to go to App Info, and you want to go ahead and click on Clear Data, and you want to click on Clear Cache. Now from here, just click on OK. So what we just did is we just cleared the temporary files for Cash App, and sometimes this would actually solve your issues. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.